Hello everyone. So I recently ordered this Honda GoldWing diecast on eBay and I got it last week, but I thought, I'll leave the box. I just opened the box to check what's inside it, but I haven't done the unboxing yet. So I thought we'll do the unboxing with you for the first time and see what are the, how does it look like. So let's look into it. It comes pretty well packed from the way you can see in the box here. Very nicely packed and bubble wrap. Let's take it out. That looks nicely packed here. Pretty well packed. So even though I believe it's coming from China or Japan somewhere, very nicely packed, so sort of doesn't get damaged on the way or during the shipping process. Oh, nice. So I ordered a white color one, knowing that I have a white GoldWing. I wanted that color. The box is pretty nice. Has a Honda GoldWing under that. The side has a red color, and what else is there? So it says it's by, oh yeah, it's made in Hong Kong. So it's officially licensed and manufactured by Valley Die Casting in Hong Kong, for anyone who wants to know. I will also be linking the description for this one in the link below for anyone who's looking to order again. But yeah, would love to open and see how is it inside. I've heard some great things about this thing, especially for anyone who has ordered it online before. They spoke highly about this product, and I don't know who wrote on one of the Facebook groups about it. So let's open and see what comes in the box. I'm impressed with the packing. For me, packing means a lot as well. That shows the quality of the product. Just a paper. Cardboard rather, I would say, and yeah, nicely, sort of in a plastic wrap, and that is how beautiful this thing looks. Very nice. Here is what it is. Some scuffs and damages, I would say, but overall not a bad looking one. Pretty decent, yeah. For what is this? I'm a little bit OCD, so if I'm complaining, it's probably because I like it to be spotless without anything. But it's a DCT, which is exactly what I have from the looks of it. Not the blacked out. It has the stickers here, so it has the GoldWing sticker here at the back, and looks very nice. Let me show you all. Here's also the center stand. So you can see here, that's the center stand, and goes up and down, up and down. That's a nice one. The front steering wheel rotates with that. I believe it's let's try and see if it's rideable. It is. It does look like it's rideable. I can ride it on the cardboard here, so you can see it up there as well. But it is definitely a rideable one. Has a side kickstand here. Also has a center stand. I'll probably show you a closer look of this so you get a better idea of what it is. I'll also be linking it in the comments below, but it does have some scuffs, I have to say. Yeah, some light scuffs here. Maybe if I clean it with a wet cloth or something, maybe they're gonna go. But not a bad one, not a bad looking one if you're looking for something to keep it, as a display piece and your preferred choice of color. What I'll also do is I'll probably give one as a giveaway to any one of you. So feel free to write in the comments below what color is your favorite in the GoldWing, and or what color of GoldWing do you ride, and I'll probably pick a random comment by end of June and you know, send one off your way. So maybe you can see how it is. But let me show you a closer look of this. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. Feel free to share this video with your friends and family who own a GoldWing and you know would like to purchase this die-cast on eBay. I'll be linking the link in the description below. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.